Welcome to the channel. So your AI agents are only as smart as the data they can access. If you're building autonomous systems that can't reach the live web because of bot detection or CAPTCHAs, you're basically building a blind agent. Now, today, I'm going to show you how to give your AI eyes using Decodo. This is the only AI web scraper solution that handles all the technical headaches, so you can focus on building intelligent workflows. Let's get into the video. So modern agents need unrestricted web access to do things like market research or competitive analysis. Decodo makes things much simpler. This acts as the connectivity layer, letting agents scrape any site and giving you structured data for instant decision-making, so no more waiting around. This is the Decodo tool you need to use. This is the Decodo scraper skill that's used in frameworks like OpenClaw. So if you're tired of, AI bots falling short and not getting you the data you need, or if you have to do a ton of maintenance just to get that data, well, stick with me. So here we can see the dashboard. We can see all the information. I have the scraping API, which is really cool. We have the search URL. All the information is here, and I can go ahead and pick my country. And we're also going to enable this agent use case. And then what we're going to do is, since we have all the information here, we can just enter the information and paste it in, and our API is good to go. So that's how we can get our API all set up. So we have the authentication token. We have the information for the country, the geolocation, and then we just have to make sure it's good. So we can actually do a live preview just to see how it works. So that's all we do. Open the dashboard, enable the agent, get the endpoint URL, paste in the credentials, give it a configuration file, and then we can see the agent right here, and we're going to see it get past and bypass a blocked site. And I really like to see, a lot of people brag about their AI. This one's actually going to do it right here. And to avoid being flagged, if you need more than just a basic AI web scraper, you need a massive proxy network, because just a basic scraper is going to get blocked. So Decodo provides access to over 125 million IPs across 195 locations. It handles IP rotation, capture bypass. You can see right here all the different proxies and disruptions that it can get past. So Decodo's ranked number 2 in the 2025 Proxyway benchmarks for success rate, if you didn't know. So here we have all the information. We have the search query, and now we can go ahead and play with this. I'm going to look at the raw output here, the parameters, and do target specific, the search query, and we can use this for Amazon. There are millions of use cases you can use it for, but we're going to use this one. The nice thing about this too is that it does geo-targeting. So you can pick the USA, you can pick Germany, you can pick Thailand, and then you can run that request in that geographical location, because IP rotation logs are very, very effective at making sure it doesn't get stuck. And also, you don't need to write custom code because Decodo offers 100 ready-made templates. So you really don't have to do any coding or even know how to code or be a developer for large-scale targets. We're looking at Amazon here, but Amazon, Google, TikTok, this is a highly efficient AI web scraper for e-commerce, social media, whatever you want to use it for. Just look at everything right here. You don't have to build it from scratch. And now we have all the information for the Amazon product right here, the URL, everything, and we're scraping Amazon. This is not a small site. The best part about this is we can do JSON, we can do a table, you can get different formats. As you can see right here, we are bypassing the blocked site terminal, and it's working very, very effectively. So the best part about this is that here you can also see the information, the search query, what we're looking for, what we want. So you can use this for a bunch of different purposes. So stop fighting with bot blockers. Start building. Use the link below to get 2,000 requests for Decodo. No credit card needed. Use my code for 10% off. When you're ready to scale, and guys, I'm super, super excited for you to try this out. I want to see what you're actually able to scrape. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thank you.